Are birthday announcements on LinkedIn here to stay? Maybe. Have you seen the new celebrations page? You can get to it from notifications. You go to notifications, you see where someone has, or LinkedIn announces someone's has a birthday or they have a new job. But look what happens when I click on this one. It goes to a celebration page with job changes, birthdays, and work anniversaries. So you can go to look at all the anniversaries, you can go look at all the job changes in your network, and you can also see birthdays. This is useful, and I hope it means that the celebrations, the birthday celebrations, are here to stay. Because I think they're a great way to nurture the relationships for a LinkedIn network.